Good morning, this is William Brown. Today is October 9th, 10:35 a.m. This is CIRC03 for the A attempt. So from our previous codes, the beginning hasn't changed at all. The function integer is still motor pin, which is 9 on the digital header. Void setup is pin mode, and pin mode is going to be motor pin, and it's going to be an output. Our void loop this time has changed. It'll be motor acceleration. So what we're going to do over here, we're going to go down to our void. So our function over here is going to be int of a delay time of 50 milliseconds. So now we're going to accelerate the motor. So over here we have for int I equals 0, I has to be less than 255, which is how fast our motor is going to go. And then we have I++. So literally every time it's going to run the function, if I is less than 255, it'll run it to the next speed. So it's going to start off at whatever the lowest speed is, and then it's going to add one speed to it over and over and over until it hits 255. So then analog right, we have motor pin I, which sets the new speed, and then we have our delay time, which we already declared. So now we're going to decelerate the motor. So for integer I equals 255, I has to be greater than or equal to 5. So I've set the speed, lowest speed, to 5. So it's going to be I minus minus. So it's going to start removing the speed. So once it hits 255, it's going to start dropping the speed down until it reaches 5. So analog right, motor pin I, which sets the new speed, and then the delay of our delay time that we already declared. So basically you hear it, all the wiring's still the same down here. So all you're going to hear is that the motor is going to accelerate. It decelerated completely down to 5, and now it's going to start going back up till it hits 255 in speed. And voila, it's done. As you can see here, all our wiring is still the exact same thing. We have the resistor going over to the transistor. We have our jumpers coming from the negative, from the positive, which is hooked up to our diode, and then the jumper from the positive going to the diode, and then the motor hooked up over here where the diode is at. Okay, thank you.